This summer there was a strong storm that snapped off one of our trees in our woods about 10 feet up in the air. Let's go cut it down. So here's the tree that got broken off about 10 feet, more like 15 feet up in the air. This is the rest of the tree that got snapped off. This is a locust tree. They're everywhere here in our area in Pennsylvania. They're really brittle, so they don't do well in windstorms, and they break and shed branches all the time. All right, there we go. Trees down safely. This MS-261C gets through the job really well. These locust trees are harder on your chain, so if you're cutting through a lot of locust wood, be sure to have that chainsaw sharpener with you. You will probably need it after a few cuts through a big trunk like this. But job's done. Looks a lot better here in the woods now with this log not sticking up in the air, broken off halfway on the trunk. And we got it done safely. Thanks for watching.